myself JV and Dr. Arun Kumar Singh, Faculty of Education and Methodology, Jyoti Vidyapeeth, Women's University, Jaipur. I welcome to all of you in my digital class BSc B.Ed ZBC 5th semester. We will discuss the topic soil pollution. Soil pollution is defined as contamination of soil by human and natural activities which may cause harmful effect on living organisms. Composition of soil is listed below. Components: organic minerals matter 45%, organic matter 0. Organic matter 5%, soil water 25%, and soil air 25%. Okay. Types of soil pollution. Soil pollution mainly occurs due to the following: industrial waste, urban waste, agriculture waste, radioactive waste, biological agents. Okay. Next, industrial waste. Disposal of industrial waste is the major problem for soil pollution. Is the waste produced by industrial activities, which includes any materials that is rendered or useless during a manufacturing process, such as that of factories, industries, mills, and mining operations. It has existed since the start of the industrial revolutions. Next, second one, sources of industrial pollutants. Industrial pollutants are mainly discharged from various origins such as pulp and paper mills, chemical fertilizers, oil refineries, sugar factories, textiles, tanneries, steels, fertilizer, pesticides, coal and mineral mining industries, etc. Okay. Next, effect of industrial pollutants. These pollutants affect and alter the chemical and biological properties of soil. As a result, hazardous chemicals can enter into human food chain from the soil or water, disrupt the biochemical process, and finally lead to serious effects on living organisms. Okay. Next, second one, urban wastes. Urban waste comprises of both commercial and domestic waste consisting of dried slugs and sewage, commonly known as garbage, in the United States, and as refuse or rubbish in Britain. Is a waste types consisting of everyday items that are discarded by the public. Garbage can also refer especially to food waste, as in a garbage disposals. The two are sometimes collected separately. All the urban solid wastes are commonly referred to as refuse. Constituents of urban refuse. This refuse consists of garbage and rubbish minerals like plastic, glasses, metallic cans, fibers, papers, rubbers, streets, sweepings, etc. Urban domestic waste, though disposed of separately from industrial waste, can still be dangerous. This happens because they are not easily degraded. Composition. Waste can be classified in several ways, but the following list represents a typical classification. Firstly, as biodegradable waste, food and kitchen waste, green waste, papers, etc. Second one, recyclable materials, paper, cardboard, glass, bottles, jar, tin cans, aluminum cans, etc. Next, insert waste, inert waste, constructions and demolitions waste. Okay. Next, electrical and electronic waste, electrical appliances, light bulbs, washing machines, TV, computer, screens, mobiles, phone, alarm clocks, watches, etc. Okay. Next, composite waste, waste clothings, tetra packs, wash waste plastics such as toys, hazard waste including most paints, chemicals, fires, batteries, light bulbs, electric applications, fluorescents, lamps, aerosols, spray cans, and fertilizers. And next one, toxic waste including pesticides, herbicides, and fungicides, biochemical waste, expired pharmaceutical drugs, etc. Agriculture practices. Modern agriculture practices pollute the soil to a large extent. With the advancing agrotechnology, high quantities of fertilizers, pesticides, herbicides, and weedicides are added to increase the crop yield. Apart from these, farm waste, manures, slurry, debris, soil erosions containing mostly inorganic chemicals are reported to causes soil pollution. Harmful effects of soil pollution. The solids waste like garbage destroy the natural beauty and becomes a breeding ground for mosquitoes which spread disease like malaria and dengue. And land pollution caused by acid rains reduce the fertility of soil, leading to reduction of crop yield. And next one, the pollution caused by the excessive use of fertilizers also reduce the fertility of the soil and crop yield by making the soil either highly acidic or highly alkalines. The soil pollution caused by the use of insecticides and herbicides in agriculture is very dangerous because these chemicals can enter our food chain and damage our health. Okay. Next, modes of disposal waste. Disposal of waste means to get rid of waste. The disposal of waste should be done in a scientific way. These are different methods of waste disposal. The methods to be used depending on the nature of the waste. Some of the important modes of waste disposals are landfills. Most of the solids waste in urban areas are buried in low-lying area to level the uneven grounds. This is called landfills. Next, recycling. It is the method of recovery and processing of biodegradable wastes or materials after they have been used, which enables them to be used. For examples, solid waste like paper, plastics, and metals, etc., are recycled. Industrial waste are treated in special plants, and valuable waste are recycled. Next, composting. In these methods, the domestic waste like fruits and vegetables waste, leaf covers, foods, leaves of potted plants etc. can be converted into compost and used as manures. And incinerations, it means reduction of asks. The burning of a substance at high temperature to form ask is called incinerations. It is used to destroy household waste, chemical waste, and biological waste. Incineration is carried out in incinerators. Production of biogas and manure. In these methods, cow dung is fed into biogas plants to produce biogas and obtain manures. Okay, thank you, students.